Hi, this is, oh wait, shoot. This is Frankie Ciccone coming to you live from Griffith Park. I just wanted to show you this because I just came across another trail. Oh my God, it's so incredibly gorgeous. Who'da thunk? Los Angeles. Like you'd have this lush, gorgeous, secret hiking spot. It's right above the bird sanctuary observatory. I want to observe some birds. Wow. Yeah, I come here at least 3 or 4 times a week. Try to hit up as many hidden, oh my gosh. Anyways, hidden trails. There's so many. This is like my favorite thing to do right now. So if you don't know where I am, you can't get a hold of me, I'm probably up at the park on my hikes. Anyways, hope all is well. Love you.